Usong-uso ang community pantry ngayon, sadyang hindi mapipigilan ang espiritu ng bayanihan sa ating mga Pinoy. Kaya naman, may pandemya man o wala, ay patuloy pa rin tayong umiisip ng paraan upang tayo makatulong sa ating kapwa. What's up, Bagabaks, brothers and sisters, mga sirman? Andito na naman ako, si Naisa, the Lady Rider, at nagbabalik para sa weekend gala natin. At kung
me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my